Hi children, welcome to my English class. In my previous class, we learnt about noun and pronoun. Today we learn about verbs and its types. Verbs. Verbs are action words like shout, jump, run and eat. There are three types of verbs. Action verbs, which can be transitive or intransitive. Modal verbs, sometimes called helping verbs, and auxiliary verbs, sometimes called linking verbs. Today we would learn action verbs. When a person or thing is doing something, that's an action verb. They can be split into two categories: transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. Let's read. Transitive verbs are verbs that expresses action with an object. The object of a transitive verb can be a noun, pronoun or noun clause or phrase. Let's see the examples. I threw the ball. Here I is subject, threw is verb, the ball is object. Whenever a verb has an object, it is known as transitive verb. See the second sentence. We bet them. Here we is subject, bet is verb, them is object. Here them is pronoun but acts as an object, so it is a transitive verb. Third sentence. I think that you are correct. Here I is subject, think is verb, that you are correct is a noun clause. In this sentence we can see noun clauses can also act as a direct object, as these clauses begin with the words such as how, that, etc. Let's see the intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are verbs that express action without an object. Let's see the examples. I ran. In this sentence we have a subject I and verb ran, but no object. Therefore, intransitive verbs do not have object to receive the action. Second sentence, I ran swiftly. In this, I is subject, ran is verb, swiftly tells us more about the verb but doesn't have an object. So these verbs are intransitive. Third sentence, I ran in the race. In this sentence, I is subject, ran is verb, and it does not have an object. In the race is an incomplete sentence which provides extra information about the verb ran. So it is an intransitive verb. So children, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. We'll meet you in my next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.